Hi, I'm Anna Louise. Flamenco is not a bird, is a show that takes you on a journey to learn about the beautiful, rich history that is a melding of Arabic, Jewish, Christian, and African rhythms, songs, dances, and guitar. A culture that is grounded in the custodianship of the Gitanos of Spain. You'll learn about palmas, rhythms, and the instruments particular to flamenco, such as guitar and cajon. But most importantly of all, it's about expression and sharing your feelings through art. You can join me for an incursion online or in person. See you in school. Ole.